How to fix Chrome extensions not working or loading issue. This tutorial shows you how to resolve the fail to load extension error on Google Chrome for PC. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the browser. Following that, hover over Extensions and click on Manage Extensions. Now, you'll see all your installed Chrome extensions. Moving forward, look for any extension showing an error or not working. Toggle off the extension and then toggle it back on to restart it. Click on the refresh icon if available to reload the extension. Alternatively, if that doesn't work, click on Remove to uninstall the problematic extension. Afterwards, go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for the same extension you just removed. Click on Add to Chrome to reinstall it fresh. The extension will download and install with clean files. If extensions still aren't working, clear your browser cache. Click on the three dots, then Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security, then click on Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files, then click Clear Data. Restart Chrome after clearing the cache. Now check if your extensions are loading properly. If the issue persists, try disabling Developer Mode in the Extensions page. Toggle off Developer Mode at the top right of the Extensions page. Your Chrome extensions should now be working correctly. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix Chrome extensions not working issue, give it a like, subscribe for more Chrome troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.